welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Prestun Tinsong discharged from hospital, resting in New Delhi. Aham urges Chief Minister for urgent support to dilapidated school. BSF seizes smuggled cattle worth 16 lakh at Meghalaya border. And Kangnanga College celebrates 58th anniversary with launch of ITEV. And now the news in detail. The National People's Party NPP spokesperson HM Shangpliang announced that Deputy Chief Minister Prestun Tinsong has successfully recovered from his health issues and has been discharged from Apollo Hospital in New Delhi. Shangpliang confirmed that Tinsong is currently resting at Meghalaya House and is expected to return to the state in a few days. He urged the residents of Khuborjylla constituency to keep their leader in their prayers during his recovery. The news has brought relief to supporters who were concerned about Tinsong's health following his recent hospitalization.
Kangnanga Party NPP ngai ya kajing Khubor ya kinong song baro jong Khuborjylla jungi hagni por nga kwa ban pentip sepi baro kinong song jong Khuborjylla jungi ba isa Prestun Tinsong balong Deputy Chief Minister Khuborjylla jungi ilami no naka hospital kemudian Delhi kajing sumar jungi naka Apollo Hospital but menta idang the rest apo ka Meghalaya House Delhi ka Khubor kamang kwa ban petip sepi kalong ba hakabang ayo ban kren ya isa Prestun Tinsong takasi iong ba ila koi la khia Aham but menta iong ba don stang katuat nisni by in one paino sha po Shillong ikwa ban petip bagajing sumar ke jong I kalong kabaya bet ba kawajong but menta kuma ilong mai ilayo ya kemet ke bakwet bakia but ilayat lalade but ila selang ban bam ya kabam kumaju bam normally debang akli ngong salano pinpoi no Shillong yang stang hapo katon isngi nalawan phai Shillong hagni ko por nakwa bangan ai kajing Khubor ya kiparlok baro.
Leaders of the Achik Holistic Awakening Movement, Aham, from Bajengdoba Regional Unit, Garo Hills, have appealed to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma for urgent assistance regarding the Jemangre Ad Hoc LP School, which is in a state of disrepair and lacks essential resources for students. In their letter, they highlighted that the school's deteriorating condition has led to a decline in student enrollment as it fails to meet their educational needs. The Aham leaders also called on the Chief Minister to provide support, emphasizing that many schools in Garo Hills face similar challenges. They stressed that without adequate facilities and resources, attracting children to education remains a significant hurdle for the future of the region.
namen bairaw kana tade nakani donga unbaksana ya room junbiya jinga kitchenu kachapan nangaya isarang basakwa bangkal parti soppa mode namen isarang jigirka takrka takarang la ulungwarang ko maintain kana namen nikani
baru tahu sana soalnya datang kita Doma 동자 송이다오야 지랑 일단 인간은
지랑데 지나 지역도나 지는 동자 디버스냐 토일렛 동자 토일렛 남자 와 toilet tinggung kandung uiga program donga.
앞서 student kita betul sakal doang.
Tahu student di pengurus donga. Andi ba pengurus pakai cuma jangan mau buat bahasa batak jika karang pula isang sakca biar setiap canggung lalu tunda pangna tetap biar pangan bungsa.
Asal nak igo somai ko ata na kaya MC ni songi den ni barang ni ya present doang present dah na songi kami ko songi itu ni kami ko ya skuli ka mega kami ko para tu nak kain ko mo sa mga
Mutila iya maskana singa cha jisku hadirni jiche persiangni ye skulan mustonga ni sipon cha nami school teacher makana manja aru dintang professor ni kita singa lekram ko singa sapmi ka achu niba mamun singa ye school na yapta aru gitar me barang bas paja singa school ho me ba khana kata gimana aru dintang latrine toilet na ka dumjai school khagona dongin problem wa aru khawen sungode dongin bisrangna school kali dungja aru nako ye kitchen lang wasa school hom tak saknya yang san ye ni kan dong ye suni school kala mangi jani de nigi mana tingthang mancha ye jamang di school na nya phachina ni
On September 17th, the Border Security Force BSF arrested individuals involved in smuggling operations along the India-Bangladesh border in Meghalaya. The operation resulted in the seizure of cows, buffaloes and other valuable items totaling an estimated worth of 16 lakh. The confiscated items were handed over to the Central Customs Office at the state's border checkpoints for further processing. The BSF continues to intensify its efforts to curb cross-border smuggling and maintain security along the sensitive border area, ensuring compliance with national regulations. Kangnanga College in Jowai marked its 58th anniversary on September 17th, celebrating its long-standing commitment to education in Jaintia Hills, Kachar and Mizoram since its establishment in 1966. The event featured the unveiling of a plaque to commemorate the launch of the Integrated Teachers Education Program (ITEP) and associated software. Among the dignitaries present were Minister of Education Rakam A. Sangma, Jowai MLA Wairat Miki Shilla, Chief Advisor to the Government of Meghalaya Lakman Rumbui, and Advisor to Education H.M. Shangpliang. In his address, Sangma lauded the college's history of nurturing generations of students, emphasizing that education transcends mere job acquisition. He urged a focus on enhancing life, humanity, and societal contributions in alignment with the National Education Policy NEP 2020. Sangma also stressed the pivotal role of teachers in shaping society and called on parents to encourage out-of-school children to return to education. The ceremony honored Dr. Sharalin War Solang and Dr. Saralin Kharbhi for their PhDs, along with Nena Limbu and Misoniti Thu for their achievements in botany and physics. Speeches from other leaders further enriched the celebration, reinforcing the college's education mission.
Therefore, the environment, the change from the government college is not much different. And whatever our Honorable Local MLA has already stated, I don't want to repeat again. Whatever he said, we will work together and we will make sure all the work's done at the very earliest. And wanted to tell you, my dear friends, especially the vacancies, the more than 130 plus vacancies across the state in the higher education. By the government college, by the university, the Peit college, a different diet, the more than about 130 plus vacancies. And the order formality is almost completed, and we are going to issue the advertisement very, very soon. And we will make sure all the vacancies are filled at the very earliest. And we will also make sure about these auditoriums and our extensive building, but you have to give times to process. We have seen the dynamics of our politics. What are
Leaders of the All Khasi Megalo Taxi Association have expressed frustration over the state government's inaction even after 1 week of raising black flags on their vehicles to highlight their plight. During a meeting at Malki Ground on September 18th, the association decided to send an opening letter to Chief Minister Konrad Sangma demanding a response within 1 day. If no reply is received, they plan to organize a peace rally and escalate their protests. The leaders also condemned remarks made by Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo, who had previously supported their demands. The association insists on urgent government attention to their ongoing challenges.
Kamram jemu kadai gong bhawe kursi. Hatu kumno ngong ba ingkung stakeholder ini keren mangi seperti stakeholder Assam. Hari soto jangan kata kami Aham. Bakaba ini tolong ba bandari mangi. Kadang cuma ayu mangi ngilon minister. Kadang cuma ayu mangi ngilon kita di cabinet minister, kita di government minister. Naso kadang cuma le. Tengah apa jujur yang dari cuma diberkat dong bapol. Bak nga kapat ya kesorkar haba gidong ki cabinet minister larakung kini ki cabinet minister haba ke kamram joki di ban generate ban thau kalat kelenti yangi ki khod iksir joki yangi ki paragak pasna joki tumnu bangin kamai bangin gala kata tua lata kindon kata ke jingtip jingnang ban thau ya kata kamdon jimut bagin song ya tu chief minister ndio kamu beta Bangin noe ke jingong minister joki bapol Dengan kapan government unjuk chief minister ada upon lenggo umma pante alakam yang nekam undut soha bansong no na tu kesuki ko pisong adi ban air sign no kamda jimut pinglong minister jong letai bandriu kamda jimut pinglong minister jong sekar megaya jongi adangi di driver ki bayin kendoi ka bakamai ka ku angi lawan terlebut dari mana ba Awe ini berkini ngakwa kan pasat sel transport ro. Adangi sisni kan feel. Kali ini ikut islah si po aja masa fine. Anda timur ayu kata ada fine. Nah lagi ngelalam asin. Ikut kapat kali dong hasil sandi. Atau hasil sandi lah mau di kuat. Kasi kali dia kata. Tengah kuah mana kerja transport ro bahkan sikialang yang kali. Ada chief minister, kesorkar, ada kim simkaya kani, to tadi ko reduce no ai by permit jongi.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off until we meet again. Thank you for watching.